Yep, got a little bit of dry rot in here. As you can see, it's separating, so it's going to take me a little bit to cut the piece out. It's not too bad. It's only about a foot, or about 18 inches over to here, and same down here, about to here, about 8 or 10 inches, then to the floor. Well, actually, maybe the floor to that section right down there. So it's not too bad. I've got plenty of pieces. Well, it's just a little minor damage from water, a leak it used to have. I fixed it. That was one of the first things I did. But now I'm trying to save this foam strip just to match up the rest of the bus. So you can see it's coming apart. I've got to get all this little bit of surface wood off, and then I can replace the wood, re-glue this, and put the window back in. That'll all be done today, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, got the pieces out. It's a little hard to see, backlit, but there's the foam. Had to clean all that off. Alright, here's the two pieces that came out. And what I've done is I've just transferred them to some Luan, now referred to as, I guess, underlayment. We'll get these cut, put back in, re-glue the foam, and window will go back in. Okay, new wood is in. Again, it's hard to see. All the new wood is in, and getting ready to put the foam back. Once the foam is glued down and this strip put back on, I can go ahead and reinsert the window, and this is done. We'll mark it done soon. HD. HD. He's got to keep an eye on me. Well, it's all back. And now all I have to do is put the window back in. It'll be like it never happened.